say we're rolling, ooh, rolling, ooh, rolling on the river, rolling on the river. Anthony, help me with the Ike part. Anthony, all you gotta do is say the rolling on the river part in a deep voice.
Rolling on the river.
Hey Nay Babes, welcome back to Everyday Nays. We are going fishing. I like to fish. I like fish. I like to eat fish. So now we're going to catch the fish. So you guys, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you know, to put them below. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications. And I just want to tell you guys the importance of catching your own food. So first of all, the importance of catching your own game or whatever, it is first, the taste is healthy. No, healthy is first, the taste, and it's an opportunity to bond. So if you're going with a family member or friend or whatever, this is something that you're teaching, something that is essential to everyday survival. So it's definitely a benefit, you know. So I would say if I had a choice, if I could afford to, if I can do it, I would definitely go hunting and catch my food fresh and also grow my vegetables. But I live in the city, so I can't do that. So when I get a chance to do stuff like go fishing and go hunting, I jump on it. So for right now, we're gonna go fishing. The hunting, leave the hunting to the winter. You asked me to endorse hunting, fishing, catching your own food. Nay's your girl. But for right now, let's get into it. Fishing, 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 fishing. You ready, babe?
I was born ready.
How many fish you think you're gonna catch?
Not really? About,
Yep.
say about 16.
16 fish?
Yeah, 16.
That's not bad. How many fish you think you gonna catch, Coward?
0.
0? Look at us.
That's crazy, man. Like, but why is tuna fish so cheap? You know what I'm saying? Like, you go to the store, get a can of tuna fish for like $1, but you catch it out in the water and turn around and can sell a whole fish for like 10 grand. You got big. That little can of tuna that you get this time, hey, that's worth time, worth being spent. I go fishing and get the fish.
Just waiting to get on the water. I'm tired. I had 2 hours of sleep. It's gonna be a long day. Long day. Hey, Nay Bays.
What up?
This is the true navigator. This is my puppy.
Look, long, far.
You look long and far for what? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay. I look long and far, and I finally caught my fish.
Why gotta be a fish?
Well,
I smell like fish.
no, it don't smell like fish, but it sounds a lot better putting bait on the line.
You try to call me a damn fish.
Yeah, okay.
So if I'm a fish, would that make you
the fisherman. Ah.
a predator?
Yeah.
You said 16 fish?
16 and a half.
Why half?
Because it's probably gonna be smaller than the rest of them.
Well, it's 7 of us, baby. You gonna have to catch more than 16.
So okay.
And at least enough for everybody to get
Two.
2 to 3 fish.
Yeah, it's 21.
21.
So 21 at best.
Okay.
So that's what we going for. 21 fish.
Okay.
And if we don't get them, we gonna go to the store and get some canned tuna fish.
Baby, you better go to the restroom. Go use the tree line. Go on to the tree line.
Tree line. Sounds similar to the gun line, like all the life.
We ain't got no fences here at Camp 8. We don't need no fences. We got us the gun line.
Tell them about the gun line, boss.
This is the gun line. It runs from shack to shack, clear around the yard. You are now inside the gun line.
Look, I went to the restroom when we stopped off. See, y'all mobile. Y'all can hit that tree line. Go with the theme. We real rural out here in these parts. So you said grab the...
Yeah, grab it. Walk back all the way back, so you can walk on the walkway thing right here. It'll slide off and I get down.
So what am I grabbing? Okay. Wait a minute. Hold on, babe. Okay. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. In the water. God's gonna wade in the water. Wade in the water. Okay, y'all, the boat is in the water. Yay! Woo! So I'm literally holding the boat. I'm literally holding the boat, y'all. Look.
Oh, yeah, thanks, bro.
I can't compare. True navigator comes prepared.
I got the shades though.
I got the hat brim though. And oh no, I left my purse. I ain't prepared. Hey. Hell yeah. Cause I got everything in here. Like the charger. Yeah. That's true, I'm filming.
This is true. See, this is nice. This is how you supposed to do on a Saturday morning. I ain't never been fishing before, but I'm out to learn. City boy came down to the country. Some country stuff. So hopefully we got some fish to show y'all later. And you can't get none though.
The captain done lost his mind.
little thing down, and that little thing I'm gonna give y'all some squid up front.
Okay, so this particular bait.
You put it on the hook.
Okay. Put this on the hook. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna put some fish on this hook. I mean squid. This is a bait. Let's see. This is frozen. Well, I feel like this is gonna come out. Really, Anthony?
Yeah, really.
You let me. Okay, that's a good hook in here.
Voila.
I think you should put it in the skin, so because the fish will bite it off and it'll come right off, and you ain't get the fish, but they got your food, your bait.
So that when they cook it, it'll give me more. Like that. And then take this right here. You gotta take this, you see right here? Line this line, you gotta be lined up with this. Put your finger right here, pull this over. Then when you pull it over, just throw it out and let your finger go off of that. It'll go out, and then take this, flip it back. You got that?
No.
I think I do.
Reel it in.
My,
Just reel it in. Just, you ain't got no. I'm just showing you how so you can practice throwing it out yourself. Just reel it in. No, the other way. Yeah. Just keep reeling. Keep on reeling. Show you how so you can learn how to do it yourself. Raise them up. All right, hold. So you don't want to reel it off with your thing, because then you see. If you reel it off with your thing, now that your line's over there, so now you gotta take it back and loosen it a little bit, and just watch it. I watch this right here. I look up there at that. Yeah, okay. Now it's lined up. See, right? You gotta make sure it's like, but you don't want that. You don't want that swivel thing right here to be all the way up there, because you don't want to touch that.
okay.
And then,
Come back to me.
yep. Now what you gotta do is, I'm gonna tell you how you pull the thing all the way through like that, and then flip that over, and then turn and sling it out. But let go, but you gotta let go of it when you sling it though. You see what I'm saying? You gotta let your finger go. Once you reach back and you throw it, let your finger go. Just hold the rope.
Oh.
As long as you hold the rope, you ain't gonna, okay, now, bring it back in. I'll flip that, there you go. Alright, now you got it lined up, right? Okay, now flip it over. Now when you're ready to throw it, let that finger, let that wire.
At the same time?
Rear back. How you gonna throw it? Oh, shit! You throwing it that way? God dang! Look.
Edit. Edit that out.
This is the fish finder. What it tells you the depth that you are in the water right now. Right
That's
now,
the
show that we
longitudinal?
are 7 feet and 3 inches. That's how deep we are right now.
Okay.
Then you got the floor part of the water down there. And here go a fish right here. You can see little small stuff on here. He's showing one fish.
Okay.
Normally, I go to an area over there by the lighthouse, and it shows all this whole thing is filled with fish. However, right now today is.
I'm driving the boat.
so you know she got it.
So basically, you start.
Got your fish.
This fish?
Hell yeah.
We over here?
Yeah.
Oh no! Drop the anchor. Drop the anchor.
Look at Nadine. She done caught her fish. Uh-oh. Look at her. She got her fish on her pole. Go, Nadine. Go, Nadine. All right now. Look at her. All right now. All right.
We're gonna throw her back because she's so little.
Yeah, we're gonna throw her back.
Okay.
She let it grow.